Can you see your TikTok password if you've forgotten it? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll try to find out if we can see our TikTok password if we forget it. So let's get started. First, open up your TikTok. Make sure you're logged in first, then head over to your profile icon on the bottom right. After there, we'll head over to our settings. For that, tap on the three lines on the top right, then go to settings and privacy. After you're on your settings and privacy, here the only where you will get to see anything regarding your password is your security and permissions. So let's head over there. And there you can see that you have security alerts and you have your devices, your two-step verification and stuff like that. So if we just head over to any other options here, so you can see where you're logged in and your security alerts and everything else, but there is no option for your password. So if we head over to this option that says privacy, it's basically the same thing. There is nothing related to your password. So let's head over to our account. And in account, there is an option that says password, but there is only an option to add a password or change a password. Also, if you head over to your account information, there isn't much you can do about it. So yeah, the answer is that you cannot see your TikTok password if you forget it. The only thing that you can do is directly change it or reset it. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye. Take care.